And as far as the MJ Morning Show mystery merch, we have one more to open up today. We still have, like 4 or 5 boxes we haven't gotten to yet.
Yeah, we're going to have a big pile for Monday morning.
Yeah, I think we are. All right, here we go. Opening up the next one on camera. And we have for Fester.
Oh, God.
My mom used to jam this crap down our throats when we coughed. It works great because you're scared schnitless to cough. Good. MJ, you got to taste this stuff from Scott Hansen.
All right, Scott.
All right.
I've been having a cough for a month and a half
Fester
now.
Can't get rid of this cough after his hospitalization for his myasthenia gravis. It's driving us nuts.
You hear me coughing off mic? at least during our long segment, I walk out 2 or 3 times just to gag in the hallway.
It's getting drier though.
It's dry until it's not, and then it produces, bro.
Fester, here you go. Here's 2.
Oh my gosh.
Here's 2 boxes of Creamulsion cough syrup, adult formula.
What is
original
that?
flavor since 1920.
It sounds like some Russian brand.
It's like snake oil.
Yes, I'll give you the Creamulsion.
Well, first of all, I'm opening this thing up. Keep in mind that, and we've talked about this in the past, that cough syrups and cough suppressants are a giant racket. There is no research that shows that any cough syrup or suppressant actually really works.
Cough drops work.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Here, Fester, open that up.
Oh.
You told me a Ricola doesn't clear up your throat?
Ricola.
You're a liar.
I mean, you see those little Swiss Alps
You're
guys?
an outright liar.
I'll take it right now.
Man, you got to open another one. That's a lame one to end on.
Wait, are you kidding me? This guy... Oh, man.
Open it up right now.
This looks disgusting.
Open it up and taste it. Why? Is it like motor oil in there?
It's like brown.
Ew.
Let me see the bottle.
Let me taste it.
All right. Oh, no, it's liquidy.
It's liquidy, but it's like brown syrup.
Hang on, let me smell this stuff.
I'll eat a lot of gross things, but cough medicine makes me gag. I cannot take cough medicine.
There's a little seal top
Original
on here.
flavor, so it's probably like, bug flavor or something.
Oh, my God.
Does it stink? Let me smell it.
Holy
Let me
hell.
see.
Oh,
can't be
my
that bad.
God.
I'm scared now.
Take a whiff of that. Oh, my God.
Should I have a sip?
Yeah.
Well, don't put it in your mouth on it. Just pour it in.
Listen, you put your mouth on it. I don't care.
All right, take Froggy's camera.
Here's a little
Hold
cup.
on, do you have Froggy's camera?
Here's a little cup.
I have a cough.
I'm going with the cough, Froggy. It's not a joke.
Creamulsion.
Just a little bit.
It's not a joke.
All right.
Don't spit it out.
Bottoms up.
Taste it.
I'm getting sick from the smell off of Froggy's breath.
This stuff. I can't.
Awful.
All right, Roxanne, smell this stuff.
I'll smell it.
We can all smell it.
Oh, the whole room smells like this stuff.
Oh my God! It smells like.
All right, this room is ruined.
Stop!
Oh, it smells like lighter fluid or something.
My God, what is this?
That's exactly right.
Oh.
Hold on.
Froggy, what?
Ew, Band-Aids and lighter fluid mixed together.
Tastes like Band-Aid.
If Band-Aids and lighter fluid are
tastes
mixed
like
together, she's exactly right. Roxanne, that's amazing.
I know. My nose is really strong.
This is awful, this stuff.
Somebody else has got to taste it. That's not fair. I thought everybody else was going.
All right, Fester, taste some.
Just taste some,
Right.
Fester.
Taste some.
I'll take a whole shot. Scott, if you think
Does it
this
make
is
you
good-
drowsy?
I hope so.
Holy crap.
Oh, it won't get out of my mouth.
Now, Fester, have you drunk some of this cough syrup yet?
I haven't yet because I'm not ready to disable myself with this awful drink. As soon as the show's over, I'll knock it back.
No, you need to do it before we go off the
What's
air.
the point of doing it off the show?
Exactly.
Fine.
You're
Do
coughing
it right
all
now.
over the place.
Drink it right now. Drink it.
Hold on.
Drink it.
Go.
All right, Roxanne, this isn't a college party.
Chug,
Yeah.
chug, chug,
All right,
chug.
I gotta
chug,
hear.
Chug, 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 chug.
All right, I gotta hear. Here we go.
Come on, go.
Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. It's so bad. Oh, my God.
And what is it called? Creamulsion?
It's called death. It's called Creo emulsion. Creo. Oh,
What's the
my
matter
God.
with your voice?
Oh, so bad. Holy. Thank you.
Why is it changing your
Oh.
voice?